Important MCQ and countries of the world. I am here with another video on the topic important MCQ and countries of the world. So let's get started. Which of the following lakes does not belong to Asia? Caspian Sea, Baikal, Aral Sea, Malvi. Caspian Sea is in Asia, Baikal is also in Asia, Aral Sea is also in Asia, so Malvi, it is present in Africa. Okay, so the answer is Malvi. Lake Malvi is an African Great Lake and the southernmost lake in Eastern African Rift System, located between Malvi, Mozambique, and Tanzania. Lake Malvi is located in Africa, so it is located in between the Malvi, Mozambique, and Tanzania. It is also a rift system, East African rift system. Okay, so let's go ahead. Which among the following deserts does not belong to Asia? Arabia present in Asia. Gobi is also present in Asia. Thar is in India. So Sahara Desert is the world's largest desert in. So it is present in Africa. So the answer is Sahara. Okay. Move the Sahara Desert is the world's largest hot desert located in Africa. It stretches from the Red Sea to the Atlantic Ocean. So the uh, Sahara Desert is the world's largest hot desert. Okay. Move to the third question. Which is the highest mountain in Africa? Atlas Mountain, Mount Elgon, Mount Kenya, Mount Kilimanjaro. Obviously, Mount Kilimanjaro is the highest peak in Africa. Okay. Option D is the right. It is present in Tanzania. It is located in Tanzania. Mount Kilimanjaro is the highest peak on the African continent. Okay. Move to the fourth question. Which among the following mountains does not belong to Europe? Alps present in Europe. Pyrenees present in Europe. Carpathians also present in Europe. So the option D is the right answer. Rocky. It is present in North America. It is one of the longest ranges in North America. The Rocky Mountains, commonly known as Rockies, are a major mountain range in western North America. It is located in western side of North America. So move to the next question. Which among the following rivers does not belong to Europe? Volga is in Europe, Rhine is also in Europe, Don is also in Europe. So Mississippi is one of the most one of the longest river in North America. It is also a main drainage system in North America. So look at this. The Mississippi River is the chief river of the largest drainage system in North America. So move to the sixth question. Which countries are located in Asia and Europe? Ukraine and Iraq, Russia and Syria, Russia and Turkey, Bulgaria and Georgia. The which countries are located in Asia and Europe? This question generally means that which two countries are both located in the continent of Asia and also in Europe. So the answer is Russia and Turkey. They both are located in both the continents. Okay. So move to the seventh question. How many countries are in the world? About 100, about 150, about 200, about 300. So the answer is about 200. Okay. About 200 countries are there in the world. Okay. Move to the eighth question. Sorry. Move to the eighth question. Which of the following countries has the smallest population? Iceland, Singapore, Mexico, Yemen. I think Iceland. Okay. The correct answer is Iceland. Okay. The move to the ninth question. Largest and smallest country in Asia is in terms of area. In terms of area, which is the largest and smallest country in Asia? Okay. The China and Maldives, India and Maldives, China and Bhutan, China and obviously China and Maldives. Okay. China and Maldives are the largest and smallest country in Asia? Okay. Option A, China and Maldives. Okay. Where is the world's largest waterfall Niagara Fall is located? Mexico? No. Panama? No. United States of America? No. Canada? Yes. It is present in Canada. Okay. Let's see the answer. Canada. 11th question. Which among the following is not correctly matched? Angel Falls, Venezuela. Yes, it is correct. Ijugua Falls, Argentina. Right. Niagara Falls, Canada. Right. Victoria Falls, Australia. Wrong. Victoria Falls is not present in Australia. Okay. It's present in Zambia. Yes. It is an African country. Okay. Let's move to the 12th question. Which country is known as the land of cakes? Scotland, Libya, Norway, or India? I think Scotland, because Scotland is famous for the oat melt cakes. Right? Scotland is the right answer. Look at this. Scotland is famous for oatmeal cakes. Okay. Move to the 13th question. Which among the following country comes just after India in terms of area? Brazil, Argentina, Italy, Egypt. Brazil is larger than India. Italy is smaller. Egypt is smaller. So Argentina is the right answer. Okay. Argentina. Yes. Argentina. Right. The highest peak of world, Mount Everest, is present in which country? India, China, Nepal, Bhutan. Yeah, right. That's answer is Nepal. Yes. Mount Everest's height is about 8848 meter. Okay. You know one fact about Mount Everest? The man who count means measure the height of the Everest, his name was George Everest. Okay. Another question. Which is the largest riverine island of the world? It is not a MCQ one. So tell the answer quickly. Okay. The answer is Mazuli River. Okay. The answer is Mazuli River. Mazuli Island. Sorry. Mazuli Island is present in Assam in Brahmaputra River. Okay. So that's it, guys, for watching. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. So stay in home, stay safe, stay healthy. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.